But remember this, you can't have fun without me, Gibby. Whoa! Whoa! I knew that milk would come back to haunt me.
Molly, how do you get expelled in school for getting the E. coli card? You are grounded for 10 days.
This means no bubblegum bees, no seeing your friends, and more.
You are forced to watch Pokemon, Godzilla, Powerpuff Girls, The Wacky Adventures of Ronald McDonald, The Lego Movie, and more.
No, I hate those shows and movies.
For your punishment, you will get beaten up by Bigfoot and Alien.
Here we are.
Bigfoot and Alien. Would you like to beat up Molly?
Sure.
Ow, 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 ow. That hurts so bad.
Now go to your room right now.
Whoa!